Using YouTube videos. A little guidance can help students make the most of the YouTube videos with the digital workbook. For example, make sure students learn how to start and pause videos. Show students the full screen video button in the lower right, usually. Also, make sure they know how to get out of full screen mode. They can click here, or the escape key is very helpful for this and many other things in digital media. You may want to show students the closed caption option by showing them to click CC. Most of these videos have closed captioning. That's your choice if you want them to read and listen or only listen, or have them figure out the best way for them. It's also possible to automatically translate the captions. In Settings, Subtitles, Auto Translate, and then choose the language. When the videos finish, you will sometimes get recommended videos. Sometimes ads also. Oops, let's try that again. So, help students avoid following an infinite list of recommended videos and focus on the OER videos. They can get lost. Anyone can get lost pretty quickly. If they stay on the digital workbook website and only click the videos here, it might help. If you use a Google site or another way to access the workbook, it's good to demonstrate how to use multiple tabs and how to switch between tabs. For example, now I have a tab for my home page and a tab for these videos. It can be tricky to keep multiple tabs open while watching videos, doing exercises, referring back to the main website, and so on. It's frustrating for students when they close a tab accidentally and have to start over again. Conversely, they can have problems with multiple YouTube channels that are left open and multiple videos playing at the same time. Help students figure out how to keep their experience focused and efficient by teaching about tabs. Also, sometimes students are confused about what they can access in the computer lab, on their phone, or at home. It's useful to show them that they have multiple ways of getting to the material. For example, maybe you share a website with them. Maybe you share it by email or the learning management system. Maybe you help them with a QR code use their phones to find the website. When students are watching videos, encourage them to take notes while they watch. And point out that each of these YouTube teachers has their own channel and more videos online.
Learn English.
They can watch on YouTube, and they can find many more. With a little guidance on these points of using YouTube, students in beginning to intermediate levels can access a lot of content in this workbook and beyond. Teachers may want to help students with start and pause buttons, entering and exiting full screen mode, using closed captioning when available, avoiding recommended videos, using multiple tabs, using other devices to access this content at home, on their phone, or other places, taking notes while watching, and finding YouTube channels for additional content. Using YouTube videos.